The 5th week of January. A wetland tree that produces some of our first flowers of the new year. Red maple, Acer rubrum. Red maple is a common species of tree throughout the lowlands of the southeast. It's a handsome plant with something for every season. In summer, its verdant green leaves, 3 or 5 lobed and opposite each other, sway in the breeze. The smooth, gray-white, brindled trunk sucks water from the mucky soil of the wetland it anchors. Those leaves, held limply on the limbs, brew these murky waters into sugars. Red maple is a close relative of the northern sugar maple, Acer saccharum, which is tapped in Canada for making maple syrup. With the onset of fall, the red maple produces its namesake display. The weather cools and the leaves redden. The once emerald foliage shifts to golden orange before settling on a scarlet that envelops the entire crown. This presentation of pigment is only a byproduct of the plant's built-in sunscreen. This red is a mix of anthocyanins and carotenoids. These pigments protect the leaf from solar damage, absorbing the light wavelengths that chlorophyll doesn't. Carotenoids are yellow and orange. Anthocyanins are red and purple. The leaves of red maple are high in both, producing a deep crimson color. During autumn, the tree breaks down chlorophyll and other cellular components in its leaves before dropping them. These pigments then become visible, and more anthocyanins are pumped in to guard this botanical salvage operation. As the leaves age further, they dry and are shed. Through the first month of winter, the marbled bark and bronze twigs lay dormant, but in the depths of winter, their blooms break. A burst of soft red and pink erupts, a spray of color that captures the frosty dew. As these flowers fulfill their purpose, the fruits of their labors appear, a one-winged fruit borne in pairs, lime-green head that bears a cresting rosy blade. These are samaras, specialized dry fruits built to spin as they fall. This graceful whirl allows the seeds to ride the wind as they float to the earth. These seeds provide food for both birds and rodents, both in the trees and on the ground. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new. If you did, consider liking the video and let me know in the comments what you learned. I'm planning to release these read-alongs weekly in 2025, so if you want to see more of these, subscribe down below. If you'd rather read yourself than listen to me, you're in luck! The script I just read is adapted from an online article series I write weekly, Flora and Fauna Friday. You can find it online at edisto.org/flora-fauna. The link's in the description. If you prefer to read from paper rather than a screen, you're in even more luck. You just heard me read a page directly out of a book I wrote, titled The Flora and Fauna of Edisto Island and the Lowcountry Sea Islands. The first book covers over 100 fascinating critters and plants in deep detail along stunning photography. It's a perfect primer on the unique ecology of the Sea Islands and makes a fantastic gift for any nature lovers in your life. Book number 1 in the series will be out spring 2025. You can pick up a copy online from eveningpostbooks.com. I've got a link in the description down below. Talk at you next week. Tom out.